to you, and so I won't keep you long by naming each person by name who has honored me by being here today. But thank you very, very much to each and every one of you, our elected officials, my fellow judges, my family, my friends. Thank you all for being here. It means a great deal to me. I would be remiss if I did not specifically thank my wife, Amy, my son, Thomas, and my daughter, Grace, who did not sign up to be politician family, but have graciously walked with me through every step of my career, and I would not be here without them. I thank them very much. And I also would like to thank my dad for being here. My mom passed away in March, and she would have loved today. She would have loved having you all here, and I appreciate you being here, and I'm glad that my dad's able to share this with us. This robe, as it turns out, you have to buy your own robe when you become a judge. I didn't know that. And so when I was appointed to the bench by Governor Abbott, I got online and ordered a robe. And I got a call saying, we have to make the robe. It will be a while before we can send you a robe, so may we send you a loaner? Sure, send me a loaner. So the robe I'm wearing today is actually loaned to me by the company that makes robes. And I think that is entirely appropriate. Because what we see today in this transfer of power in the 352nd District Court is with Justice Sutterth and Justice Pittman both before me. When you come and take this position, it's temporary. You're just being loaned a robe as long as people keep you in office, as long as you are here. And I'm very mindful of that. The passage of Scripture that will guide and direct me as I take this new position is Micah 6:8, which says, "He has shown you, O man, and what does the Lord require of you? But to do justly, and to love mercy, and to walk humbly with your God." And so my statement to all of you today is that that is my goal. My goal is to do justly. What more do we want from our judges? We want just decisions based on the law, not based on who the parties are in front of the court. We want the judges to follow the law and do justly. I commit to doing that. We're also called to love mercy. The parties that appear in front of any of the district courts here, it's not their best day. They're there because something has gone horribly awry. And it's the job of the judiciary to treat those people with mercy. And frankly, as someone who was on the other side of the bench for 21 years, it's my job to treat counsel with mercy and realize that sometimes we make mistakes, and I get that. And so I commit to also holding this bench with mercy. And lastly, to walk humbly with my God. I am cognizant that when Amy and Judge Means helped put this robe on me, I didn't get a new brain. I didn't get superpowers. I'm still just an attorney. I'm still just someone who's going to do my best to apply the law in each and every situation, and to do that humbly with the understanding that sometimes, yes, I will get that wrong, and that's when the Second Court of Appeals will come in and tell me that I got that wrong. But my commitment to each of you is to try to do this humbly and not take on any kind of special thing in this borrowed robe. I am in a borrowed robe, and I thank you for the privilege for however long I have the opportunity to serve to be on the 352nd District Court. I thank you all for being here today. It's a pleasure having you, and I look forward to having you all in my court in days to come. Thank you very much.